Thank you, Evision, for boosting my confidence and preparing me to crack any interview. Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar. I am from Patna, Bihar. I did BTech in ECE from Allahabad. I was looking for IT job. My friend suggested me about eVision. eVision TechnoServe is good platform to grow myself. The trainer are very helpful, humble, cooperative. They support me and motivate me to learn something new what industry requires. In 45 days of training, I learned many technologies like CCNA, window administration, virtualization, ITIL, cyber security, troubleshooting, basic networking module, virtualization, Linux, and many more. To prepare me for interview via phone call and video call, and they taught me how to respond during interview. I got job in progressive Infotech as technical analyst EUC and got package of 2.64 lakh per annum. Thank you eVision for preparing me to crack any interview. I recommend others who want job especially in IT sector to join eVision. They are reputed, they are trustable. Thank you once again for giving me a step up for career growth. Thank you, eVision.